Hello all and welcome on the Turtle Field. It's a whole new video to show you how to build a platform shelter. I'm now on the computer. You see the prototype I have chosen to make this shelter. So it's the 9-mile station on the RTD line, T-Rex line. It's a shelter with high pylons and tender with gussets. It's a nice shape. I like very much this sort of structure, so we will see together how to build this shelter. It wouldn't be prototypically exact. It's an inspiration. This part is too complex to do in N scale, so I have simplified some part of the shelter. So we will see on this video. You can see here the structure. We will see how to do that, the tool I used to build that, and I will probably cut the video in 3 or 4 parts because the computer will collapse if the video is too long, and editing software of Windows is not improved for long video, and I have a lot of things to tell, tips and tricks to show you. So let's go! So we are now on the workbench, so you can see there what you will build with me, which is a fully scratch-built platform shelter, so made of plastic and brass rods. Like you see, there is a lot of pieces, nearly 50 pieces in this build. So I need 4 shelter like this one to put on my tramway platform for the light rail. There is one here, a second one there, third one on the second platform, and the fourth goes there. So here is the prototype. The first I have built, which permits me to design the pieces and to realize how to build this. And after that I have built all the pieces for the 3 more at the string to have gain of time, because it's really time consuming to do that, so I need to go the faster I can. So here are the different pieces I have built. Here you have the piles, the square. This part is to join the pylons. Here is some square rods that you can see in the inner structure of the roof. Here is the The faces in front, you can see there and there. Here is the roofs. So on this face it's curved. It's for the upper side, and the lower face is only drawn to get access to put centered in center on the correct place the different square rods. Here is another part for the roof, just there, and the last pieces, very small details but very numerous. Lots need 50 pieces on the floor shelter. That goes there, little zoom. It's these small pieces, the gussets, to hold the tender. So now I will show you all the tools you need to complete the operation. So plastic glue, I use the green cedar, which is easy to find in France. The Tamiya is quite good. So it's special glue for styrene, and here is super glue, which is cyanoacrylate glue. It's only to glue the tenders, which are metal. Pincers that hold the pieces. Here is for curving, precision screwdriver. Here is very important. This is a square in steel. You have many square angle on this tool. It's a fantastic tool. You will find this kind of tool in jewelry toolers. This is useful to have nice square angle and to win lots of time with that. Small drills. Here is fillers, half round fillers, triangular fillers, flat fillers. A point. This is used to push the pieces in place and to point where to drill. So we also have a criterion pen to do a drawing, a rubber eraser if you wrong, different knives, X-Acto knife for precision work. Here is Alpha knife, which is a marvel. You have a wheel with crank there, so you can trig with lots of precision your blade, and you can strongly block it with this wheel, and the blade is driven by metal here. The blade don't move, and the Alpha blade are very sharp and do nice job. So if you can find one Japan Alpha knife, it's a great knife. So rulers. So sorry, you can see I have a very bad English. It's difficult for me to do that video in English, and my rules are in metrics. So sorry for Anglophone people, I don't have rules in fit. Pincers, flat pincers and cutter pincer, it's used for the tender. Here is very useful, it's a hand driller, very precise, and lots of different diameter in this kit. And holding pincer to keep the pieces in place during attaching the pieces. The glue is dry. So, sorry again for my English. Let's go to see how to put together all this stuff and how to prepare pieces. Let's go.